Hey there, InfoZest listeners. It's Jean-Michel, and boy oh boy, do we have a spicy topic for you today. We're diving into what looks like a massive spending bubble in the AI world. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be a wild ride. So picture this. On one side of the Pacific, we've got the Americans throwing money around like it's monopoly cash. They've just announced this thing called the Stargate Project. No, it's not a wormhole to another galaxy, though with that price tag, you'd think it was. We're talking a whopping $500 billion investment in AI infrastructure over the next 4 years. That's billion with a B, folks. Now get this. OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, and some fancy investment firm called MGX are all in on this. They're planning to build massive data centers, each one 500,000 square feet, and they're starting with 10 of these bad boys in Texas, with plans to expand to 20. Talk about everything being bigger in Texas, eh? But here's where it gets really interesting. While the Americans are making it rain, our friends in China are showing them up with some seriously impressive penny pinching. There's this company called DeepSeek that's got Silicon Valley shaking in its boots. These folks have created an AI model that's giving the big guns like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini a run for their money. And when I say run for their money, I mean it literally. DeepSeek built their model for a measly $5.6 million. That's pocket change compared to what the big tech companies are spending. We're talking about a cost reduction of over 98% compared to training models like GPT-4. It's like they're using coupons at the AI supermarket or something. This DeepSeek model is so good, it's topping the charts on app stores. It's got the tech world in a tizzy, with some calling it a Sputnik moment. Remember Sputnik? The satellite that kicked off the space race? Well, this might just be kicking off an AI race. Now, I don't know about you, but this whole situation is giving me some serious .com bubble vibes. We've got companies throwing billions around like it's nothing, while others are achieving similar results on a shoestring budget. It's like watching a high-stakes poker game where some players are going all in while others are winning with a pair of twos. So what can we expect for the AI community in the near future? Well, buckle up, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. We're likely to see a lot more investment in AI infrastructure, with companies scrambling to keep up with the Joneses. Or should I say, the Zuckerbergs and Musks. But here's the kicker. All this spending might not translate to proportional advancements. We could see a situation where the law of diminishing returns kicks in hard. Maybe, just maybe, the scrappy underdogs like DeepSeek will show us that innovation doesn't always need a blank check. One thing's for sure, 2025 is shaping up to be a wild year for AI. We're talking about AI that can chat with you in real time, Fortune 500 companies falling victim to AI scams, and maybe even some AI-driven robots joining the workforce. It's like we're living in a sci-fi movie, eh? As we wrap up this episode of InfoZest, I want to leave you with this thought. In the world of AI, it's not always about who has the biggest wallet. Sometimes it's about who has the smartest approach. So keep your eyes peeled, folks. The next big AI breakthrough might just come from someone's garage rather than a billion-dollar data center. Until next time, this is Jean-Michel signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, in the world of AI, the only constant is change.